Hello friends, in continuation to the series on wonders of Mother Nature, we are going to take another important aspect of nature, that is to give, not to take, not to ask. If we look at the tree, it has only one motive in life: to give, not to ask. A tree is throughout the life is giving, like leaves, flowers, and the fruit itself. And the tree is never asking anything from us. Whatever it needs is bare minimum, it is taking from the nature. So it is trying to teach us the lesson that we should develop the attitude like this: to give, not to ask. That does not mean that we should give blindly whatever we have. It is trying to convey the message that we should have the attitude of giving. You can see that the tree is full of fruits, full of flowers. Likewise, the person who is having the attitude of giving is different person. He is a happy person, he is a prosperous person, he is productive person also. You can see the tree which gives the fruit, and the nature itself is giving the fruits, more fruits to the tree. So likewise, the nature through the tree is giving us the message to have the attitude of give, not to ask, not to take. Thank you.